Fatima's Splashing Tuesday Adventure. On a beautiful, sunny Tuesday morning, the house was buzzing with excitement. It was pool day. Fatima's parents, Gulsen and Levent, were busy getting everything ready. They grabbed a bag so huge it looked like it could hold a whole ocean. Into the bag went a bright swimsuit, soft fluffy towels, and a bottle of sunscreen to keep Fatima's skin safe from the happy sun. Fatima watched with a wide, knowing smile from her wheelchair. She didn't need words to show she was ready for an adventure. Her gray and brown tabby cat, Figaro, decided he wanted to help too. With a wiggle and a pounce, Figaro hopped right into the middle of the swim bag. "Oh, Figaro," Gulsen laughed. "You aren't a towel, you silly kitty." Soon, it was time to go. The day program bus arrived to take the group to Welch Pool. Levent made sure Fatima's seatbelt was snug and gave her a big thumbs up. Fatima's dark hair caught the morning light as she wheeled toward the ramp, her heart already racing toward the cool blue water. When they arrived at Welch Pool, the air smelled like summer and fun. The water sparkled like 1,000 diamonds under the sky. Fatima loved the way the sun felt on her shoulders. She was ready to leave her land wheels behind for a while and find her water wings. Splat, splash, gurgle. Fatima was in the water, and it was glorious. She wore her favorite blue and teal float, which kept her bobbing perfectly. She kicked her legs and watched the bubbles rise. Every splash felt like a tiny celebration, and Fatima's face lit up with a grin that was bigger than the pool itself. The water was like a giant hug. Fatima leaned back in her float, looking up at the passing clouds. The pool was noisy with the sounds of other people playing, but to Fatima, the water felt peaceful and cool. She was a champion floater, drifting along like a happy little boat on a calm sea. Later that afternoon, Levent came to pick her up. He saw his daughter's damp hair and her tired, happy eyes. "Did you swim across the whole ocean today, Fatima?" he joked. Fatima gave a soft, relaxed sigh. She was exhausted in the very best way, the kind of tired that comes from a day full of sunshine. Back at home, it was time for a snack. Gulsen had a bowl of cool, creamy yogurt waiting, Fatima's favorite. Fatima sat at the table, enjoying every spoonful. It was the perfect treat after a big day of swimming. Figaro the cat sat nearby, hoping a little bit of yogurt might accidentally come his way. After her snack, Fatima was ready for some quiet time. She wheeled herself over to the stairlift and looked at her dad. She knew exactly how to signal that it was time to go up to her room. Levent helped her onto the lift, and together they began the slow, steady ride to the second floor. Upstairs in her safety bed, Fatima surrounded herself with her favorite electronic musical toys. Bloop, bleep, whir. The toys played cheerful tunes, but Fatima's eyes were getting heavier and heavier. With Figaro curled up at the foot of the bed, Fatima drifted off into a rare and wonderful afternoon nap, dreaming of blue water and teal floats.